How to claim website on Pinterest. To get started, go ahead and open up the Pinterest application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Pinterest homepage. Here, you can view images and videos selected based on your activity and interests. This includes pins from accounts and boards you follow. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Saved. Over here, you can view all your saved pins and the boards they are saved to. Go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. Then, select Claimed External Accounts. As you can see, you can claim your Instagram account from here. Tap on Claim. You can now connect your account to auto-create your Instagram posts as pins. Following these steps, you can easily claim website on Pinterest. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.